Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how we transformed and revived this old synthetic wig into a freshly styled and recoiled wig using plastic straw. I'll be showing you two ways of making this coil. First, you need your plastic straw and your rubber bands that you get from your local beauty store. You start by detangling the hair. I recommend using a brush other than a comb and just brush from the tip up. Just work your way through the hair until the hair is thoroughly brushed out. Take your straw and then you twist the extension around the straw maybe once or twice, and then you take your rubber band and use it to secure the top part of the hair so that it's firm, and then you twist the remaining part of the hair. Notice that I'm saying twist and not wrap, because you're actually going to twist the extension around the straw and not just wrap it. And you see the spaces I am giving and how I'm holding it so that it's very tight, and also detangling so that it's smooth and that you get a very tight and neat coil at the end of the day. I recommend that you start on dry hair, as wet synthetic hair tends to tangle up more, and as it doesn't absorb water, it's going to make the work very messy. So if you're having issues, just get a bowl of water and use your brush to dip into the water and detangle the section that you are working at that point in time. So just do the coil and then take your rubber band and tie the end part of the hair so that it's secured in place. Second method I'm going to be showing you is you use thread. That's the regular thread you use for sewing whatever, hair or clothes. You detangle as I said before. I'm going to be linking the video to show how we sew in this wig unit so that you will not be left behind on how to achieve this style from start to finish. So just take the thread and wrap it around the straw and tie it very well, and then twist the remaining parts of the extension around the hair. You see how I'm trying to hold it so that it's in place and it's very tight and strong. So just twist and keep going until you get to the end of the hair, and then you take the thread and secure the end part of the hair. So this is how far I've gone in coiling the hair, and you can see that I'm going track by track, and I try to make sure that the coils fall in between each other, because you're not really going to scatter this coil when you are done. So you want it to be able to fill up and cover up the wig net as soon as you take it down. So don't be in a haste to finish coiling the hair by taking bigger sections of hair to coil, because the smaller the coil, the longer it's going to last, and it'll even be more beautiful and well patterned than when it's very big and chunky. So just coil the hair. You can see from a closer view how I am twisting the hair around and combing the hair. Just make sure that you twist and it's very tight and neat. You can see that this coil is very tight. There are no spacing. It's not even moving about when you feel it with your hand. That's how you want it to be. So just coil the hair like that from top to bottom, and then you wrap the hair securely. So this is what you will do to the hair finishes. This process takes quite some time, so you have to be really patient to achieve this look. And this is what it looks like. You can see that it's almost already covered. I just place it in a bowl. Make sure your bowl is wide enough, and then we use hot water, boiling hot water, which we use in soaking the hair. This is going to activate the coil and also help the hair to coil. Synthetic wigs are mostly rubber and fiber, so the only thing that is going to make it coil is the hot water. So just make sure you soak it. Make sure every part is soaked thoroughly. You You can leave it for a few minutes as long as the water is still hot, and then you take it to dry. Make sure it dries completely before placing it back on your mannequin head and then taking down the coil. So you just trim. I like to trim before taking down the coil because that way it's easier for you to see all the little hairs that didn't lock up into the coil, and you just trim it out and then take the hair down, and it's very easy. I recommend that you take down the coil from the bottom up so that you don't scatter the coil before you even finish taking it down. As this is a coily wig, just play around with the fringe bang and trim it till you are satisfied with the look. Do click on the video links I recommend in the description box for you. And this is what the hair looks like after we have taken down the coil. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to check out the video on how to sew in this wig unit. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next week's video.